When I first started wearing tudung, I watched every single shawl tutorial that was on YouTube and tried all the styles. It wasn't until late last year that I discovered my shawl style, because one day I was just playing around with my cotton shawl and I looked in the mirror and said, okay, this is it. And it's really simple. All you need is a shawl and 3 pins. As usual, put one side shorter than the other, and the short part you will bring it over to the other side and pin it. Then take the back part of your shawl and bring it on top of your head. And now this is the tricky part. The long side of the shawl has 2 layers now. If this makes any sense, you gotta twist the outer part of the long side inside and then just pin it up. Now with the long side of the shawl, you just lillet it over your head and play with the folds. Some days I like to have 10 folds, but today I'll stick with 1. Then take the last pin and secure your shawl at the side. And then you're done and ready to take on the world. Okay guys, so that is typically how I style my cotton shawl. So a little story time. This year 2019 will be the 6th year of me wearing my tudung, and a little backstory. When I first started wearing tudung in Darjah 6, 2013, my mom would come back and she would surprise me with a new shawl, and that really motivated me to cover my aura properly and style my shawl in different ways. So I wanted to do the same for you guys. So this year I've teamed up with Inaya Couture, and we are gonna give you guys these cotton shawls for free for any of you guys who want to start wearing tudung or want to wear it during Ramadan for 30 days and hopefully keep on wearing it forever. So yeah, you guys can either reach me out on my email that I will leave in the description box, or if you guys follow my Instagram, just send me a DM and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Ramadan is coming up and I'm really excited. Let's make the most of this holy month and may it be the best Ramadan for you and for me. Okay, bye!
How you do it, son?
Guys, so this is how I wear. Okay, guys, so this is how I.
Hey guys, this is how I wear my cotton couture shawl. Easy! Easy!